Out real quick. Look at the good solid welding. I mean, it's got the cap, got our fans, dual 90-watt fans that are curved blade. I don't know what they call that. Hook blade. So they're quieter. That's what I do know. The hardware for the shroud is in there. Got a nice petcock. I mean, look at the weld. This is a pretty quality piece of merchandise. Try to flip it over here. We'll turn it around so we can see it. I don't want to lay it down on the fans. And again, look, I mean, everything on it. I don't think you could find one that's, you know, got all this going on for itself. And they are cost effective. This whole setup you see right here, $275 out the door. And it comes with, imagine this is our hardware, or nope, this is our wiring kit for the fans. Good relay. Couldn't see the amperage on it, but that's our wiring for our setup, your fans, fuse, and everything you need to hook it up, and a temp sensor. So we can hook it directly in and have the fans come on with the temp, as opposed to just kick it on with the key. But you could hardwire it so it just comes on with the key. The first impression here is, well, this is great. I mean, most of these radiators, well, they're in the $6,000 to $1,000 range for all this. And like I said, $275 to the house. So, I guess let's pop the hood and we'll start tearing apart the motley and getting all the old junk out and setting up to fit this beautiful piece in.